So let's say you're going to gather testimonials from from clients. So what are you going to send them in order for them to write a testimonial for you? So let's say you have a company. Let's say this is your company. You provide services or product. Really, it doesn't matter. Yeah? The clients, and they pay you for it, right? So you provide service, they pay you for it. They pay you for it. But you want to have a testimonial, so you can use the testimonial for future clients. So you want a testimonial for them, so you can put them on your website or whatever. Yeah. So the question remains, what can you put in your email, or what can you put in your letter? Let's going to look at it. So we have the letter here, or the way how we're going to write the letter. And I'm gonna start. So the first sentence of the letter can be dear, and then here you put the name. And then I have a favor to ask you. I'm in the process of putting together a list of testimonials about our services from satisfied clients like you. Okay, I think this is a nice intro. Let's go to the second one. Yeah, the thing is with this is, would you take a few minutes to give your opinion of our service? No need to dictate a letter, just jot your comment at the end of the email or send it back. So what I say is, you don't let them write a whole letter, because people don't have time for that. Keep also in mind that most of the time you see a company, when you ask them questions about the customer services, one day later you get an enormous list that you need to fill in to test your customer satisfaction. Doesn't work. Seriously, it doesn't work. So here, what you could do is, hey, okay, you know what? Take a few minutes, just drop your comment and send me an email back. That's simple. They write the email and then send you back. If you're writing a letter, you can tell them, for example, you send them what we're going to show you, and then send the letter back to them so they can have a copy of your testimonial. That's something of copy of the cost, or a copy of the testimony of the client. It's that simple. So this is up to you. How are you gonna fill it? I'm gonna make this. So it's up to you if you want to send the letter or whatever. But really, it's up to you how you're gonna do it. Yeah, and then this is the important part. I look forward. Yeah, so I look forward to learning what you like about our service, but I welcome any suggestion or criticism. Yeah. Reason why you should put this is because sometimes when people receive bad service, they don't tell you about it. So it's better to ask them about it and let them have the opportunity to tell you about it. You understand what I mean? I'm gonna get a signature first, and then I'm gonna write what you can put in as a testimonial that they can fill in, so you can use it in your own situation. So like I said in many videos, you have the signature. You can create your own signatures, up to you, but this is just an example that you can use. But what afterwards comes, that's important. So let's look at it. So they put their comments. Yeah. Let's say people put their comments here. It's up to you. And then you put in, this is important, yeah? Keep in mind, you have my permission to quote from my comments and use these quotation in ads, because technically that's why you are asking them for their testimonial, so you can show other people to market your, let's say, services. Yeah, so this is important. And you can tell them, write a comment and print it down and send you a copy. What you also can do is then this is the difficult part, especially if you're online. If you're online, it's hard to make sure there's a date here. Yeah, if you're online, it's hard to let people download it and then put the signature, but most people will do it if they're really satisfied. But most of the time you can just let them put a comment on your business page or whatever. But here you can let them put in comments, and then let them put in comments, and then let them give you the permission to publicize that comments in every ads and other stuff. When you do that, you can use this, because your goal is to use the testimonial and for your marketing. Yeah, so this is something you can put below, and this is something you can send them so they can give you, let's say, a review. Yeah, so technically you make this longer, but I do not know how to make an maybe I have an idea. Give me 1 second. No, it doesn't work. No, I do not know how to put a straight line in this program, but it's not Word, so I need to use another program to put a straight line in it. Yeah, so if you guys have a question about it, what you can do is you can just go on a Discord. You will find the link in the description. Go in the last sentence, and last sentence you can ask me a question about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be